Okay, so I'm gonna grab that. And we're gonna add some water. We have to drop a little bit. That should be good. We pour it in. So that's right at the line. And now we're gonna close it up. There you go. You see that? It's already leaking. All of that. The whole thing is leaking. So the ground is wet. Let's see if it steams. It's just leaking. See how long it takes for it to... There's some coming out. Can you see it? The camera? Okay, let's see here. So there's steam coming out right here. It's hot. And it looks like it stopped leaking, but it does leak. I don't know if this one is faulty or I don't think that's normal, but it's not supposed to do that. Okay, so there you go.